G'day, here's a parcel of fossil material from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres. Some of it's got nice colours in it, others not so much. Some of it's just straight out potch. It's been wetted to help highlight the colours, and unfortunately mostly small pieces, as you can see. A little bit closer, as you can see. There are small pieces. Some's got nice colour in it though. Okay, I've gone in a fair bit closer now. Maybe just go back a tad. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. You can see here the timber grain. Quite often find shells amongst this material. That could be one there, I think. Little pippy type shell. I'd say that's one that's been crushed. There's the shell. Little pippy type clam shell. There's another. Anyway, it's pretty harmonious through the parcel. Oh, there's a big piece. Basically a knobby, that piece, I think. Anyway, there's a pretty little piece, if I can find it again. That's eluding me. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.